So since 2007, this was my screensaver, and I'm actually here. It's amazing. Just so beautiful. Check out this waterfall right here. See it? It's actually illegal to climb these rocks because there's a lot of mudslides here. You can see it's pretty steep. So I really kind of wanted to go down there, but you can't. And this is actually a house back here. This is a house that was demolished in 1966. The woman donated the land to California. This is the view from her bedroom.